What's going on? Welcome to the next video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw heads from different angles using the style of Akihito Yoshitomi. And right now, I am I've seen the style in a bunch of his videos, and I said, well, let me try the style out. And the style is pretty effective. And what it in cases of is withdrawing the circle shape and adding the triangle shape for the front of the face, and the triangle shape on the front let you know where to position the head, where to position like the nose and the mouth and everything. So right now I'm using the app Figurosity for each of the head poses, which you can also check out. I got links for that down below, and also links to all the tools that I'm using. So right now I'm doing the side view, and you see also that I'm making a circle for the head, and I'm making the lines, and the lines is basically where I'm placing, like how I'm placing the line in the middle, and that's where the ear is going to be, and the line on the side. And each of the lines that I place, or I say the line on one end and the line on the other end, it kind of tells me where the face is going to go. And the triangle will always show me where to place the eyes at and how far the mouth is going to go. Like right now I'm putting the eye on that bottom second line, and I'm adding in the ear onto that back line of that place. Now in this one I changed the angle a little bit to where it's kind of like a little like a slight turn to the head, and I'm doing it the same way where I'm placing the lines, the line on one end, line on the other end to have where the end of the face, or where the second eye is going to go. And I'm placing those lines, and the lines that I place across will always, if I'm tilting it, it helps me to tilt the head, because sometimes if I have the line straight and I'm trying to tilt the head, it's hard for me to tilt it. So as long as I have that ridge area of the eyes tilted, it helps me place the rest of the figure, and I know how to place the figure, and it'll have keep my eye believing that the head is tilted. So right now I'm putting it in the ear, and also that triangle shape is going to let me know where the nose and the mouth is going to go. Getting neck in, rest of the head. And when I've seen this method, I've seen a bunch of the videos, and I've seen him use it in a lot of the drawings that he's been using, and it's a pretty effective method. I mean, it's like no matter how you draw the head, whenever you place that middle line, the two end lines, and the second you put that triangle shape in, you automatically will know how to get the head pretty much in there. And it's kind of a easy way of putting it together. Even from imagination, you probably wouldn't even need reference with it. You could just make a circle and put two lines, then the triangle shape, and just start filling in the shapes in, or putting in the eyes and the nose and the mouth. So right now I have the head tilted the other way, and I'm trying to get that ear in, the rest of the neck. Because with this method, you can't go wrong. And like it's just that you can tilt it in all kinds of ways, in different directions, and it'll always come out just right, or just the way you want it. And with practice, you can learn to perfect it. And so right now I decided to do a down view, which is, the down views are always a little tricky. The down views and the top views are always the trickiest ones to do. So that's why I decided to throw those in there, so you kind of get just an idea how to do that. So right now I'm putting in the line. I kind of curve that top a little bit, because sometimes when I have the line going straight, sometimes my eyes or my mind may get kind of confused a little bit. So sometimes I'll curve that line up top, so I'll know where that end point goes up top. And right now I'm getting the rest of the head in there, filling in the eyes, getting that nose. Right, I'm trying to darken the lines up so I can get a feel for the head, because the down views are always the more challenging views to do. And usually when I'm getting a nose in, and sometimes I'll box it in just so that I'll know where to place it. And now for this next one, I decided to go for the top up view. And this is also like a challenging one to do, but with the method, you can't go wrong with it. Same way, you have the lines going across, one in the middle and two on the side, and then the other line you'll see it on the side, but it's kind of off the circle a little bit compared to the one where he's just looking straight, only because even though his head is looking up, it's turned to the side a little bit. That's why the line is a little bit off from the side there in the circle. Now I'm making I'm arching that chin, giving a little curves to it since he's looking up. Adding a neck there. And you can try this method out with a lot of different things. You can try it with the female head, you can do it with a child's head. Of course, the child head is a little bit more bigger, but still the method works on all forms. And if you want to change and manipulate the shapes a little bit, make it where it's a thicker face, or depending on what type of character you're making, you can do that also. Now I think I'm finished with this one, and for this last part, I'm just filling it all in, adding in the inks, or not really the inks, but I'm just using the blue pencil on the other side of the pencil that I have. It's like a two-sided pencil. One side is the red side, one side is the blue side. I'm using the blue side to kind of fill it in, darkening all the shapes and filling in all the form. And that's it for this video. If you like what you see, want to get more content like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. All right, take care.